Low mood, low motivation, low sex drive, low energy, trouble sleeping, difficulty moving, forgetfulness, learning difficulty, sometimes tremors. Are you experiencing any of these symptoms or perhaps some of them? Well, this is not a normal thing. It indicates a low level of very important brain chemical in your body. Yes, these symptoms tell that your body is lacking a brain neurotransmitter dopamine. Dopamine not only causes these symptoms, but it can also cause more than them. A low level of dopamine may be related to Parkinson's disease, ADHD, addiction, bipolar disorder and schizophrenia too. Today in this video, I will discuss a complete insight into dopamine. What it is, why it is such an important chemical for your brain, and how you can improve its level if you are low. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Madhvi Vash from Bharat Homeopathy. I have extensive clinical expertise and experience in treating neurological disorders gained over many years. Well, let's begin with what dopamine is. It is a type of neurotransmitter, which means it's a chemical messenger that carries signals in the brain and throughout your nervous system. Your body needs an optimal level of dopamine as it is involved in many critical processes like when you feel motivated, dopamine is the reason. If you are in good, dopamine is the factor. Dopamine is crucial for learning and memory, attention, reward and pleasure. Okay, let me make it more clear for you. When you experience something pleasurable or take an interest in something like eating your food, achieving a goal or even receiving praise, your brain releases dopamine. That dopamine release makes you feel good and encourages you to repeat the behavior. Now let's understand how dopamine affects your brain health and why it is crucial for you to have a good level of dopamine. A low level of dopamine can lead to tremors and mobility issues, for example, Parkinson's disease, in which dopamine producing neurons in the part of the brain called the substantia nigra gradually die off, leading to shaky hands, loss of balance and postural instability. Dopamine is important for smooth and controlled muscle movement. Dopamine helps you stay focused and remember things. It signals your brain that this is worth paying attention to. So dopamine actually helps strengthen memory and learning. A low level of dopamine is linked with low mood, apathy, aversion, and even clinical depression. On the other hand, high dopamine has been associated with conditions like schizophrenia. So, it's crucial to have a balanced level of dopamine for a good mood. Dopamine is responsible for motivation and reward. It drives us to seek out rewards. It's not the physical rewards, but emotional rewards like praise, love, and achievement. So, when dopamine level drop, you may feel unmotivated, bored, or even depressed. Okay, so I have explained to you why dopamine is important for you. Now I will tell you how you can boost your dopamine up to an optimal level. So let's know. Regular physical activity, especially aerobic exercises like walking, cycling, dancing, can increase dopamine production. 20 to 30 minutes of exposure to natural sunlight can trigger dopamine release and improve mood. Adequate sleep of a minimum 8 hours is crucial to maintain a balanced level of dopamine. During deep sleep, the brain resets dopamine receptors, helping you feel motivated and energetic the next day. Foods rich in omega-3s and tyrosine like eggs, bananas, avocados, fish, soy products, nuts and seeds protect dopamine producing neurons and boost dopamine. Deep breathing, yoga, and mindfulness meditation may help increase dopamine production and improve focus. Limit your junk and processed foods like burger, pizza, pasta, and pastries. Spend more time with your family and friends and loved ones. Well, this is all about dopamine, its effect on the brain, and tips to boost it. Now let's get to the very important thing. If you have a tremor-like condition, for example, your hands shake, feeling tremors in your hands, or you have a balance problem, then this might be Parkinson's disease. And the most important thing is that it is absolutely curable in Bharat Homeopathy medicine, which treat Parkinson without any side effects. So don't worry, if you are struggling with Parkinson's, we are here to help you get out of this tremor problem. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related interesting videos. I will soon come with new video. Till then, goodbye, namaste.